pretties, I am Jhumoon and welcome back to my channel. So Durga Puja is almost at the doorstep and it's very normal that we Bengalis in this whole puja we will wear a red dress in one day definitely. So with that in mind, today I create this red look for you pretties. So please watch the whole video till the end. I hope you will definitely like it. I usually like to start my makeup with the eyebrow, and one more thing, I done this whole makeup with very reasonable products. All of them are within 300 rupees, which is I think very affordable for everyone. And for this I am not using any brow pomade. I love to fill in my brows with eyeshadow powder. It looks quite natural. Thereafter I am using concealer. For this here I am using Swiss Beauty concealer, which you can buy easily online within 150 rupees, and it has good coverage. And then I am blending it with a small fluffy blending brush. For today's eye makeup, here I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is also very cheap in price. You can easily buy it from online within 200 rupees. First, I pat this eyeshadow on my crease area with a flat brush, and this is my transition color, and I am blending with a clean brush. Then I'm going to take another red eyeshadow from this another Swiss Beauty palette, and it is also very cheap in price, and I will continue to blend it in exactly the same way. After that, I am taking this dark brown shadow and place it on my outer V part. As you can see, first I am placing it where I exactly want. Then I will blend it with a clean flat brush so that there is no harsh line in the edges. Then I am taking this black eyeshadow color. You can also get black eyeshadow in very reasonable price. I used what I had, and I applying it on my outer V part just like before, with follow the same technique. Then here I am using concealer to clean the outer edges area for a sharp wing. And with this I am also applying concealer on my inner to lid area, because I will add little bit shimmer color here, because after doing a base with concealer, then the shimmers will pop out brightly. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Now I'm dipping my brush into this red color, and I'm going ahead and place it over that. So for that, it seems the shadows have become dark to light. Then I am taking this copper golden shadow and I am pressing it into the blank space with help of my finger. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone low voodoo, fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. This time I do my face makeup, then I will go back to complete the rest of the eye makeup. So first I am using primer. Here I am using Mars Oil Free Long Lasting Primer. You can buy it easily from the local market, or you can also buy it from online store within 200 rupees. Then I am doing my color correction. For this, here I am using NY Bake Orange Color Corrector. It is very reasonable and it works very nicely. For concealer and contouring, here I am using Kiss Beauty Contour Stick, and I am blending it with the help of this wet beauty blender. For foundation, here I am using Faces Canada Weightless Matte Foundation. It gives medium to light coverage. First I am tapping it on my whole face, then I will blending it with help of the wet beauty blender. For setting my base, here I am using compact powder. It's also from Faces Canada Matte Compact Powder. That all products what I used in very cheap in price, but it gives mind-blowing coverage. When people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Now I'm back to my eye makeup. Here I'm using Blue Heaven eyeliner. Now I'm applying mascara. For this I want to use Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara, but I could not find it at the moment, so I use another one. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Now I'm applying the bronzy gold shimmer shadow at the inner corner, which I used before on my lid. As you can see, here I am applying red eyeshadow all over my lower lash line. Now I'm patting this dark brown eyeshadow on my lower outer side corner. Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change. This time I am applying lip balm before I use lipstick. For this here I am using Nykaa Boho 16. It's a very nice beautiful color. Now I am applying highlighter for get a dewy texture. For this I am using champagne gold color from eyeshadow palette. To follow this technique you don't have to buy any extra highlighter. This makeup did not look complete without the bindi. So I did not find any good pigmented blush within 300. So here I am applying pink lipstick as a blush. So here is my whole makeup look. I hope you have enjoying it. For this festive mode you can carry heavy jewelry or heavy outfit with it. Let me know in comment section how it felt. You can also share your feedback with me. If you like the video then give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Then the notification will go to you whenever I upload a new video. See you on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay pretty.